Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, and magandang gabi, and welcome sa Tunog Kalye. My name is Sergeant Pepper, and with me, of course, our special host, kasi may special guest tayo, Tito
Oh
Ryan!
my gosh, I am here with no sleep. Hello everyone, I'm very excited to be here. And of course, Tunog Kalye, panahon natin yan, Sarge.
Panahon natin
It's
yan,
been like, it's been a household name ever since. I mean, come on. How many-
97.
Exactly.
1997.
So again, like Sergeant Pepper said, we have a very special guest, and I missed their concert, and I feel so bad. I hope they do another one.
Oo.
Kaya nga eh, ang saya-saya
Meron yan.
daw eh.
Parang
But-
nararamdaman ko.
Oo nga eh. But we're here with the country's premier band, Side A.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for
Maraming salamat
having
for
us,
having
Sarge,
us.
Diba?
Glad to be here sa
Exciting,
Tunog Kalye.
Guys, first and foremost, ganong kasaya yung concert ng weekend?
Ano ba? Super saya, super relieved na nairaos, pero super satisfied at the outcome, and parang it felt like everybody naman had a good time and enjoyed.
Ako parang di ko napansin saya nila kasi parang ako ecstatic ako. Parang, masaya ba kayo? Kasi masaya ako.
Hindi, ako naman na-receive ko yung feedbacks is mixed emotions daw yung nangyari. Because we were playing a lot of love songs yung on different, ano ba tawag doon?
Facets of love.
Facets of love. Yung
And-
heartbreak.
Meron pang yung backup nyo, diba? My gosh.
And plus with the orchestra.
I guess that was the
backing
deal
us.
breaker talaga.
So,
What's it
kasi-
like?
ano lang daw parang ang madalas ko marinig na goosebumps.
Oh, para daw silang nakikinig ng soundtrack pero live. Parang gano'n yung dating.
I think
Yung
the good thing about having the rehearsals before the actual show is kung hindi siguro kami nag-rehearse, baka pati kami na-carried away kami. Kasi at the first time we heard everything on the rehearsals, we were like,
Yun yung itatanong
we
ko,
spaced
di ba?
out.
Oo,
So,
yung
good thing hindi na kami na-overwhelmed kasi, we heard it, but even then, at the actual moment, we were like still in cloud nine.
Wait, ilang piece ba yung orchestra?
30.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
So, so pagpasok nyo pala sa stage, wow, ang dami nila.
Oh, actually, pag open ng curtains, nandun na kami lahat. As in, sama-sama na. Isang bagsak na.
And it's the
nandun na.
first time you actually sang with an orchestra? Or
Really with
pero sa
Side A.
Met lang, di ba? Ang saya lang
Pero
naman.
this is the most numerous numbers of musicians that we played with.
Parang,
So feeling ko may part 2 to. Kasi na-miss
Naku,
natin.
sana.
we were
Sana.
I mean, the big question is, would you even like a part 2?
Of course, yeah.
Yes.
It was a
Okay.
two-night
probably
concert.
yun,
The third night would be best.
Oh my gosh.
third. Paganda kasi nung
Tapos nag-conduct pa si Ria Villena. Ria Villena Osorio. Oh.
My gosh. I
Tapos
can't
ang
believe
ang gaganda ng areglo, grabe. Sila, iba-iba nag-areglo din eh. I think 4 of them.
4 or 5 of them.
Rias. Majority was Rias, but I think 4 guys chipped
From
in
the
with some
orchestra.
songs. Pero overall, grabe. I think grabe. You missed a lot.
Oh, guilt trip.
Okay. Bye guys. This
Meron
This
namang
is
konting
Tunog Kalye.
snippets online. May konting snippets online. Mga short videos.
Or let's not.
Oo, parang wag muna.
Let's not.
Oo.
So, another show.
Yeah, di ba?
They'll produce another one.
Third night. Okay, so 40 years in the business.
Wow.
What's it like?
Now,
Yung mga...
Si Naldi makakasagot dyan. Kasi,
Yeah, what's it like? Siyempre, I'm so grateful. Yeah, and then we still have the chance to share the music, especially yung mga bagong gawa ng mga bagong guys here. So,
Bagong members. Na hindi naman bago na rin. Luma na rin yung mga yun eh. More than 10 years na kayo.
Speaking of the members, magpakilala nga muna kayo isa-isa.
yes.
go ahead.
Ako si Livon, lead guitar ng Side A.
Hello, ako po si Ned. I play bass.
I'm Yubes. I sing and I play the guitar as well.
Yeah, and of course, you know who I am. Hindi rin ako sure. I'm Ernie. I play the
may
drums.
Gen Z. Gen Z. Kaya magpakilala tayo.
Ernie Severino, by the way.
And of course,
Ako nga
Naldi.
pala po si Naldi Gonzalez. So,
Mga Gen Z ang nakaka-miss out ng music.
Oo.
na naman. You know, thank you to...
But, the culmination of the 40th year is meron silang surprise sa mga fans nila. Meron silang
Meron kayong EP.
at
Yes.
in vinyl form. Oh my God.
vinyl form.
Why? Okay.
Ang dami kong gusto itanong eh.
Go,
Go
ikaw muna,
ahead.
Sarge,
Sige,
go.
hindi. Sinong nakaisip nito na dapat mag-vinyl tayo? And the songs ba? My second question is, are these all original songs in the vinyl? And the third, ilan ba yung mga songs? Sorry, naubos ko. Excited ako.
Sige.
So ano naman to, group effort naman
Group
siya.
effort.
So like the idea came about na it's been a while din since our last studio release. Parang ano ba, officially noong 2010 pa ata, nag-release ang side A ng album talaga, no?
Sorry, that's 2000.
2010.
Wow.
Yeah,
So,
but
matagal na.
yeah, sige.
Sige.
No, but before this, actually, we were actually recording already, doing some originals. Few songs, but we haven't really had any
Yeah, it's all
physical.
It's all singles out
Puro
on Spotify
online,
and all that.
streaming,
Puro streaming
mga
lang.
singles lang. And then, so nagkaroon kami ng idea na, why don't we try bringing back the good old days na we felt like there's a resurgence nowadays ng mga people
Yes.
collecting
Of course,
vinyls,
yes.
di ba?
Yeah.
And then the turntables, it's starting to become a thing again. Sabi ko, subukan natin, maybe not necessarily a full album kasi medyo matagal din yung process nun. So let's try maybe 5 songs lang, come out with an EP. Let's try to press it on
Gosh, the
vinyl.
fans, the side A fans will just, be so happy about this.
We were actually very surprised na kasi we officially announced na it was already available during the 2-night concert. So one of the perks of being there sana, if you had the ticket, if you bought a ticket, watch it, you'd be one of the first to own a copy.
Okay, alis na ako, guys.
Yeah.
So it's important to note that si Ned talagang pakanana ito because all the songs here was written by Ned himself and it's all
Bumubuhos ngayon
Tagalog.
ng biyaya ng
All
paggawa ng
All Tagalog songs.
So, yeah, we listen to the songs and sige, let's do it. Pero yun nga, yung mga ibang songs na record na namin before these songs, probably in the near future, we'll try and do a physical copies also of that.
Oo, magandang idea
Probably
yun.
pag sumasamahin na namin.
Because all the songs here, talagang bago.
Pero
never
to,
been-
bago lahat talaga.
Di pa namin
Never
na-release
heard yung-
before. And
You could only hear it if you buy this
They
one.
got to hear one song in the concert.
yun din. So if you were there,
Because
nasampulan.
opportunist.
And mamaya
Nasampulan niyo
and-
sana.
And we're gonna actually play one.
Oh yeah, you
Yeah.
can see that's one of their performances of course.
Oo. So medyo Magic exclusive to kasi first time namin
Tunog ka,
tutugtugin.
for Tunog Kalye.
Just for Tunog Kalye. Yeah.
And then, magmamagic pa tayo ulit.
Exactly, yes.
Oo.
Teka na, ubus ko na yung questions ko. Nagigilty ka na.
Nag-guilty. No, but seriously, what did it feel? What did it feel like recording again after all these years? Kasi, 'di ba? Parang 15 years ago pa yung last studio album nyo. Oo.
No, I mean, we did some recordings naman since then.
per song.
Yeah, we're
One
single.
song.
But pero this,
sunod-sunod, ano?
yeah, now that you have like a concept, gaya na sinabi ka, it's all Tagalog. You have a concept, parang, siyempre, yun yung nawawalang, well, if you'd indulge me, parang yun yung nawawalang art with sending out singles and singles. You just send out single and it just, well, after people enjoy it and it's done. When you put an album together or an EP for this matter, parang, there's a certain parang cohesiveness of the songs that you want to tell a story para
Spell cohesiveness.
Ang ganda.
Right, parang the 5 songs.
Nagets ko.
Parang the 5 songs sort of tie into each
Yes,
other.
yes.
Parang walang somehow when you listen to it completely,
And who decided na puro OPM lang, Tagalog lang, Tagalog?
wala naman, parang nagkataon lang na as the songs were coming, di ba, pag pinaparinig, sa tingin nyo, okay ba to, ganyan. Parang everything, parang fell in line.
nagkulang na
And then,
itong season na to parang
then
Tagalog
we
yung mga
actually
okay.
did a timeline for the whole project. Talagang, okay, kailangan sa ganitong time matapos natin.
And I think one of yung mga major differences, yung process of recording, more on DIY. Ito si Livon, ito yung, medyo nangaragto dun sa recording process. Explain mo nga ang bakit.
Teki yan.
Kasi
Talk to me.
yung ibang songs sa hotel namin nire-record yung vocals.
Back to basics,
Ano ngayon? Yan uso ngayon. Sa bedroom nila
Where do
record.
you even find the space? I mean, di ba dapat tahimik pag nagre-record?
Yun nga.
Kaya nasa
Kaya
hotel
doon ka sa
kami.
pinakataas na
Tapos yung ibang
Nag-penthouse pa kayo?
Saan kaya to?
Bulong mo sa akin.
Hindi, wag na natin magitin. Hindi naman sila nag-sponsor.
Yung drums sa 19 East and sa 12 Monkeys namin kina-capture yung
Sa 19 East as in dun sa ano?
In the afternoons, no? In the afternoons before a gig.
And then some of the few takes na instruments, doon din sa hotel, we bring instruments na
Oh my gosh, ang galing.
DIY.
Oh my gosh. So what can the fans expect? Ano to? Yung mga love songs ba na pang in love, pang heartbreak, ano? Situationship, o diba?
Situationship.
Actually, yun nga maganda pagka when you listen it from the start to the end. Parang yung, Side is known for love songs. That's a given already. Pero yung meron siyang kantang parang masaya na makinta, maliwanag na pagmamahal. Pero towards the end, we really ended the album with something like talagang yung pinakamasakit na kanta dinulo namin. Parang pinasaya lang namin sila with a few songs. Pwede.
Gano'n. Oh, actually, parang gano'n, ano?
It's a tragedy.
Medyo,
Kumbaga ni
basta
Shakespeare.
dark.
Parang yung, lalo na there's a song like parang slow song lang siya na parang, happy song lang that you can listen to driving, while driving yon. Pero again, from the start, meron siyang parang masayang pagmamahal.
While driving, piniplay mo doon sa vinyl.
Ganda na.
Ano doon sa kotse
So,
mo.
that's what I meant with putting together an album. Alam mo yun, nagkakaroon ng kwento kasi parang natamaan namin yung mga different facets of love. Na feeling, na masaya, na malungkot, na parang content and steady lang. Parang gano'n. It's all there. Yeah.
I can't wait to hear this. So Sarge, simulan na natin.
Hindi, may isa pa.
Oh, go.
May isa pa akong question. How do you see the new generation accepting the music of Side A? How do you intend to tell them the story? O kasi
Actually, ngayon,
kami wala kaming
Generation.
question.
Wala,
Hindi, generally kasi, ang mapapansin mo talaga, yung how the Gen Z consume the music ngayon, napakabilis eh.
Napansin mo, mga tagto 2 minutes na lang din yung mga kanta, di ba?
Pati yun. Di ba parang pag nag-scroll din sila, ganun
Yeah.
din eh. Tapos ang bilis silang ang bilis sila talaga magpalit, parang gano'n. So siguro, the reason why we came up with this, para meron naman sila parang nostalgic feel na
Yes. A sense of ownership.
hawak mo
Especially
physically.
when I
oh,
collect
and
the
then
records.
You have that feeling of ownership din na, meron akong kopya. And actually, this album is there's only a limited number. And then after this, we're not gonna release it.
Oh no.
Ganun
What's
talaga.
the biggest question is paano paano sila
Well,
makakabili?
we've sold some already sa
concert
concerts.
na, ano,
Yes.
Sa concert.
Actually, we're thinking of parang a different kind of approach promoting the new pwede rin. So we're trying to touch base with siguro the loyal fans and followers, supporters. This parang projects more about giving back to them then also. In 40 years, 'di ba? So to the new and the old listeners and supporters of Side A, parang we're trying to concentrate. Halimbawa, it's a very limited number of vinyls. So, as much as possible, hindi namin siya bibenta online. We'd prefer like, dito tayo, magkita tayo, come to our gigs. We'll have it available for you. You can purchase it there. If you want to have it signed, we'll be there for you. Yung parang ganun lang. Kasi konti lang siya eh. Konti lang talaga.
Kaya Green, naisip namin yung Green, following the tradition of the White and the Blue album na unang lumabas. And the reason why that was White and Blue, nung time na yon, our manager Winger Tracy doesn't want to concentrate on the personalities, more on the music lang.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So, parang White and then Blue. Parang siguro, because alam ko parang sa Beatles din niya nakuha yun eh. Nagkaroon din nata Beatles ng White Album.
Yes.
I think I'll just like to pick up what Ned said. Yung selling the albums in the actual gigs. Parang parang we're breaking the usual norm kasi ngayon napakadali mo lang kunin yung music eh.
Yeah.
You can just like in a click of a button you can just
Right.
get. So now parang putting it in a media that hardly exists anymore.
Tama.
Vinyl, and then sending it out to the people who appreciate our music up until now through that method na hindi nila makukuha. Yung parang sa amin, we just want to bring back how things were, or like to slow things down and parang
Guys, sa totoo lang.
to enjoy things better.
When I started on radio, plaka pa, so pinagtatawanan nila ako dati. Ganun na ako katagal. Kasi 40th
Pero
tour
hindi
ng
halata,
Magic.
no?
Nice.
Ngayon, di ba, ako yung
Talaga?
tatawa sa kanila. Bumabalik na po ang plaka,
Bumabalik
guys.
na ang plaka.
Sorry, at mahal na siya ngayon, di ba? And speaking of coming back, yung mga fans nyo from, kasi kami, fans kami, generation namin, pag nagigigs kayo, do you see younger generation?
Yes.
Yes.
Yun, oo. Nakaka-capture nila.
Actually, we're very thankful do sa parents nila eh.
Yun.
Kasi sila yung nag-expose na sa side A music. I mean, sila mismo nagsasabi. Oh,
Passing it
Na-
Oo,
to the younger
minsan,
generation.
families talaga go through the gig. Nanay, tatay din, mga anak nila. Parang, kaya minsan mag-adjust kami. Ang tutu.
And then-
what we do sometimes, before we do the gigs, I look at the crowd and then probably do a lineup for all of the age
Age groups na
appropriate,
nandun, yes.
Although yeah, meron pa rin naman kami sa lineup namin like current tunes na ma-appreciate ng mga
Kasi
younger
we also
generations.
siyempre sa gig, sometimes you do the covers then.
Yeah.
You'll be surprised, no? My niece, she's what, 18 now? And then nung nagpunta ang Magic sa fair nila, kumanta ng Whitney Houston yung isang band, yung binuo nilang band, ang sigawan nila.
Yeah, because of
I mean, that's just the Gen Zs are into retro music now. They're into, the classics. So,
Good to know na ano ganun.
oo, ang saya nila. Talagang nagsigawan sila Whitney Houston. Diba? Parang,
Yes.
wow, nagulat din ako. So,
I have another question. You mentioned that this is only available on EP. So meaning wala nito sa online.
No,
Hindi na naman-
for
Oo, decided.
now wala pa kaming plano to release them or to stream them anywhere. Kasi nga yung there's a lot of hard work involved in coming up with this. So, yun nga in going back to giving back to the fans and followers who have been supportive and very loyal to Side A throughout the years. Iba yung dating ng okay, we appreciate you coming to the gigs. It feels different na parang when you know the person buying it was there to watch you muna. Tapos, so mas nakaka-appreciate. Instead of
they have that personal experience. They have that
parang it
memory
feels
na.
like they have a personal connection.
Parang sigurong, I think what he means is parang merong, alam namin yung person na yun has some deep appreciation for our music. So parang it's just like,
Oo.
just hindi lang kami basta tapon ng tapon. Parang alam mo yun, it's like we love giving this to you because we know you'd love it. So
sinukat muna.
Oo, tapos nag-effort pa para puntahan kami. Let's say, halimbawa, we're gonna be selling our EPs at this venue on this night. So, ma-appreciate mo yung the peep, di ba? Yung ganun. So, we're trying to get in touch with those supporters. And
yung pinaka-nangarag nung recording. Ikaw,
Ako masasabi ko doon parang kung halimbawa ikaw yung may kopya ng album na alam mong hindi marinig ng ibang tao kung wala silang kopya. Di ba? Parang yung importansya na binigay sa'yo.
Punta ka sa bahay namin, meron tayong listening party.
kape. Dala ka ng kape. Ganun.
Ako, I would remember a story that Naldi told us when they were starting Side A. When they were like looking for material to perform, they would ask people who have new records coming from abroad na papakinggan nila talaga yon. I mean,
Tawagan yun.
kasi
Tapos
ganun lang
dumating.
kaunti yung supply.
Dumating na yung ganito, ganyan.
So, yun. We just wanted to, I guess, to slow things
At saka
down.
iba din yung halimbawa, the way I imagine it, okay, so parang we only have a limited number of EPs available. Imagine mo yung we're relying on people's word of mouth siguro. Hindi siya available. Pakinggan ko na. Yung parang nonchalant lang, narinig ko na.
You have to take time to listen to the EP.
Mahirap
diba?
pala
And
mag-play
then-
sa radio nito. Kailangan may turntable tayo.
Ibalik natin. Balik tayo turntable dito. Dali, meron
Ano ba?
dito.
Nawala na ba mga turntables sa radio?
Oo, sa sobrang gulo namin doon, tatalon yun eh.
Kailangan tayo mag-prepare ng turntable pag pumunta
Para
sila
lang sa side eh,
Para sa side A.
mag-ano tayo.
No. Kailangan natin silang bigyan ng file para at least over the radio marinig.
Oh my gosh.
Siyempre,
Hindi, ako din parang mga nagdi-DJ ngayon, di ba? Ano na rin sila, di ba?
Digital.
Pero
everything.
yung isa nakapanood ako ng vinyl na siya recently. nakakabilib eh. Mas bilib ako sa ganun.
And then we only have a few na DJs dito na marunong mag-vinyl na magaling. Oo, very few.
I don't know. Pero feeling naman namin, well, eventually, kasi meron din naman talagang taong would prefer a CD over a vinyl or ganyan,
Kasi
diba?
dito.
No, but no. We don't want to keep everyone's hopes up. Pero
Cassette tape na rin. Cassette
as
tape.
of now, we're
Open to
sticking with the
options.
vinyl. Pero we're looking forward. And actually, meron kaming parang, we're thinking of having like an official live
Yun pa pala,
music
yes.
launch of the album. Like
Listening party.
no, not
Exactly.
just a listening party where we'll be performing the actual songs on the record. Dun sa night na yun lang yung focus namin. We're gonna release it officially and perform the songs live for those people who would actually want to buy that album dun sa gabing yun. So,
maganda nun.
Venue
before.
sa Met.
Make
well,
it
if the
happen.
Met wants to sponsor us for a venue, we'll
Then,
be
saka
more
maganda
happy.
yun,
to do
ano,
it.
di ba yung you invite people kasi parang, ito lang ang pupunta ninyo to hear, parang see for yourself.
After nung mga songs doon, tapos na yung gabi.
Oh, if you think you like what you hear, or you can buy it or not. Parang gano'n, di ba? Parang ide-demo na namin sa inyo yung mabibili ninyo. Hopefully you like it. And
Yung mga naka-headphones, yung mga nakikinig.
pwede rin, ano?
Kahit nasa courtyard ng Met, okay din.
Hindi, sa loob na. Baka umulan.
Gano'ng kalaki ba gusto nyo? Luneta na tayo. Luneta na.
Siguro mas maliit. Sweet. Small but sweet. Gaya nung album namin. Did we
hindi,
just print 200 of this or 100
Less
something?
than 200 pieces lang yan. So, ganun siya ka-limited.
Hindi naman po sa nagsosopang kami. It's just that's how we feel towards this album.
And then, tsaka kapos din yung budget para sa...
nga.
Mamahal din pala magpa-press ng ano. So, yun ang mga natutunan natin.
Oo, kasi isa pa yun. Like, record companies, di ba? We have that. Although we have nothing against record companies, pero this is all produced by us, funded by us. And again, we broke the mold in doing the album. Although I know a lot of artists now are coming up independent, like small independent recording companies.
They have their own way of yung introducing the music.
Yeah,
physically,
oo.
Oo. Tapos I think one of the things din na nako-consider namin is, sige, as long as we have copies that we haven't sold yet, hindi muna kami maglalabas ng anything online.
So, ubusin niyo mo po
Para
muna.
masulit naman ng mga may physical copies na. Okay. Kami lang muna nakakarinig.
Exclusive. Oo, 200 lang kami meron nito. Ganon.
So will there be schedules where they can get a hold of the
Yes.
records?
Yeah, sa gigs nyo, di ba?
This week,
I don't know if they're gonna show this by Friday. On Friday at 19 East,
Definitely.
we're gonna have a show.
Regularly dapat yun.
Yes. So
19
we'll be all Fridays of March will be there.
Okay.
I think so. I think every Friday
Doon lang muna.
we'll be having the albums available there.
anong plans pag naubos na to bukas?
Oo nga.
Yun nga eh. We haven't thought about it yet. So,
Ubusin niyo muna. Tsaka na
we'll see.
pag-iisip.
Let's cross the bridge. Oh,
Yeah.
But as much as possible, we want to be true to the plan na talagang limited lang siya.
Galing.
Para naman di ba?
Galing.
Kasi hawa naman yun biglang limited, tapos biglang may lumalabas pa.
Ay, may extra pala. Oo nga.
We want to say congratulations again.
thank you.
40.
Thank
very
you.
Five songs, all Tagalog,
Yes.
and the song gets deeper while you end the.
Wait, what songs are you gonna sing? All 5 here now, or just
No, just one. No, just one.
okay,
And
here we go.
this one, yung kinanta namin sa Met.
Oh, which the one I missed.
Yan.
Okay,
Babawi kami sa'yo.
Grabe, no?
okay. So Sarge, ano?
Wow! Congratulations!
Ay, thank you.
Thank you.
That's an awesome feeling to have side A on vinyl again.
Yeah.
Diba?
Oo.
Pero sana
I feel like I'm
makahabol
back
tayo.
seriously, I feel like I'm back in the early 90s. Hindi ba talaga tumatakas pa ako sa gigs para lang mapanood sila.
Correct.
My gosh, ano nyo ba? May classmate pa kami na sagasaan nung araw. Tumakas kami na bundol para lang mapanood kayo.
True story.
Ni.
Story
Ernie,
to.
yan.
True story
Gustong mapanood si Ernie. Yan.
Oh my gosh. Sino nga ba? But anyway, it's true story yan, as in.
Magaling ka.
My goodness.
Very thoughtful.
Oh my goodness. This whole EP thing and a side A celebrating the 40th, it's definitely a travel back in
Yeah,
time for
correct.
me. So congratulations again,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.
Very
My goodness.
overwhelming to see them again.
Oh, yeah.
But thank you so much for having us kasi
Of course. It's our pleasure.
nami-miss din namin yung mga opportunities to connect with the people na sa mga ganitong avenues. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much once again.
Let's bring
Tulog
radio
tayo,
back.
Thank you. Yan.
I mean, back in the mainstream.
Yes, thank you for saying. Oh, para kasi kailangan ko pa po ng trabaho.
Congrats din sa'yo, Tina. For,
30,
diba?
Oo, 40th ang Magic.
Theater Magic.
Magic.
And then, ano ka, 30-something?
Oh, mga ganun tayo.
Oo.
Hindi halata talaga.
Nakasali kami ni Sarge.
Galing. Oo nga. Congrats.
Pati si Sergeant.
So thank you so much. More power, side
Power
A.
Magic,
Thank
89.
you, Sergeant Pepper. Thank you, Tina.
And of course, try to watch Tunog Kali all the time kasi dito yung mapapanood yung song na nasa LP lang and maririnig nyo rito about that.
Oo, diba?
So thank you so much and thank you for watching Tunog Kali. We'll see you.